designed our third generation of industrial mid-range label printers, we wanted to do something incredible. Printers that are ready for their environment from the moment you open the box. And with the PM43 and the PM43C, that's exactly what we have achieved.
PM Series offers you the fastest deployment in the market. There is an optional embedded RFID chip inside every printer that allows you to program and configure PM Series when the printer is powered off and in the box. This no-touch configuration is a huge time savings. It can reduce the deployment time by 80 to 95%. And once you get it out of the box, you'll realize how truly remarkable the PM43 and the PM43C touchscreen is. With 10 local languages, this large color interface provides a quick, intuitive way to navigate through the menus. The PM Series is also available with the universal icon user interface. The PM43 and the PM43C notify the user anytime a common printer issue arises. That'll help you understand what's happening with your printer.
The PM Series comes loaded with help files for quick access to the information workers need. They won't have to call tech support or search online, and that can save up to 15 to 20 minutes per incident. Since they're easy to use and easy to maintain, you'll save time training your workers too. You'll also reduce the need for IT support.
The PM43 and PM43C are the industry's only printers with Wi-Fi certification, CCX certification, and Bluetooth connectivity. The printers ship with Ethernet and IPv6, both as standard. The PM43 and PM43C are industry-leading printers. They're exceptionally fast to deploy, and they're so intuitive, your workers will keep them running with maximum uptime. And they scale to fit your enterprise. The PM Series is ready for your environment.